Welcome to the majestic world of bamboo forests. Today we'll embark on an adventure to explore the wonders of these incredible ecosystems. Let's start our journey. Bamboo forests are found in many parts of the world, particularly in Asia. These forests are dominated by bamboo, a type of grass that can grow up to several meters tall. Bamboo is known for its remarkable strength and flexibility. Its unique stem structure allows it to bend and sway in the wind, making it resistant to strong gusts. Bamboo forests provide habitat for a diverse range of wildlife, from birds, insects, to small animals. These ecosystems support a rich array of biodiversity. Bamboo is also an incredible versatile resource. It's used in construction, furniture making, and even as a food source. Its sustainability and renewability make it an attractive alternative to traditional wood products. Bamboo forests play a vital role in mitigating climate change. They absorb carbon dioxide, produce oxygen, and help regulate water cycles. By preserving and promoting bamboo forests, we can contribute to a healthier planet. You can make a difference by supporting sustainable bamboo practices and conservation efforts. Together, we can ensure the long-term health and prosperity of these incredible ecosystems. Join us in celebrating the wonder of bamboo forests. Let's work together to protect and preserve these natural treasures for future generations. My dear fellow tea growers, let us grow bamboo. Let us grow trees. My name is 𝐓𝐫𝐞𝐞 𝐍𝐮𝐫𝐿𝐴.